My students, how are you? Grade 5, how are you? Today we will solve model number 6 from the الدقهليه government. Final revision, second term, okay? Look at with me here about first question here. The smallest like denominator between or fourth 1 over 3 and 5 over 8. We know 8 can't be divided by 3. Then the least common multiplication between 8 and 3 equal 24. Why? Because 3 is a prime number. Then 3 times 8 equal 24. 5, question number 2, 5 and 2 over 4. Subtract 3 and 3 over 4 equal what? We know 2 minus 3 we can't do it, so we must borrow 1 from 5 will be 4, and we can 4 over 4 plus 2 over 4, it will be 6 over 4. Subtract 3 and 3 over 4. 4 minus 3 equal 1 and 6 minus 3 equals 3, then the result will be 1 and 3 over 4. Letter B. Question number 3. 3 times space over 7 equals 6 over 7. 3 multiplication by space over 7 equals 6 over 7. 3 times 2 equals 6, right to here. 7 times 3 over 7 and 7 times 3 over 7, it will be equal because we have the same number. Question 5. A quadrilateral that has 2 acute angles and 2 obtuse angles, we call it what? Parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has 2 acute angles and 2 obtuse angles. Question 6. The square has space axis of symmetry 4. Circular degree that matches the fraction of the circle that shaded part here, quarter of circle equal 90 degree. The estimation of 4 over 5 plus 1 over 10 is half. Then it's called space estimation. You must comparing between actual number and the result. 4 over 5, or the estimation he gave us, the estimation was half. We must comparing between actual number and estimation. He give us the estimation here. Okay, then we can write here 4 over 5, the least common multiplication between them equal 10. 10 divided by 5 equal 2, 2 times 4 equal 8, right here, the result will be 9 over 10, and we have here half. We know 9 over 10 greater than half because it's near to 1, or you can do in the least common multiplication between them, or you can write here half equal 5 over 10, or using the multiplication about means equals the product of means. The product of means equals the product of extremes. 9 times 2 equal 18, and 10 times 1 equal 10. Okay, it's very easy for you. Then 4 over 5 plus 1 over 10 is greater than 1 over 2. Next question here. Then this estimation will be what? More underestimation or more estimation? We have the result here will be underestimation because we have here half and here 9 over 10. It was greater than the estimation half will be underestimation because the estimation is than the actual number. Then we must write underestimation. Understood? Because the actual number was 9 over 10, greater than half. Okay, then the estimation will be under. Write under in the space here, write this word here. Okay, my students, write underestimation. Question number 2. 2 persons that share half a kilogram of banana equally. The number of kilogram of banana each person it takes space kilogram. Okay, 2 persons. How many persons have? 2 persons share half of kilogram. Then the total will be 1 kilogram. He asked the number of kilogram of banana each person. 2 persons share half of kilogram. So we can divide it half by 2. Half of kilogram divided by 2 persons. Then each person will be get what? Will be get force, because half multiplication by half equal force. You can convert from division to multiplication and write the inverse about 2 equal 1 over 2. 1 times 1 equal 1 and 2 times 2 equal 4. The result will be 1 over 4. Okay, then each person it take force kilogram. Understood, my students? Look at here. We have banana. Okay, we have banana here. Banana. And we get it from supermarket. And the weight will be what? The weight about banana will be half kilogram. And half kilogram we can divide it 2 persons, and each person will be get force, because force plus force equal half kilogram. Then each person will get force kilogram. Each order pair represent a point on coordinate plane. Each order pair represent a point. On coordinate plane. If 3 and 3 over 7 plus y equal 5 and 6 over 7, then the value of y equal. You can find the value of y by subtract the greatest number by smallest number. Y equal 5 and 6 over 7. Subtract 3 and 3 over 7. 5 minus 3 equal 2 and 6 minus 3 equals 3. Write 7 here. The result will be 2 and 3 over 7. That's why. 4 over 5 times 5 over 32, simplest it. 4 over 5 multiplication by 5 over 32. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 32 divided by 4 equal 8. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 8 equal 8. Then the result will be 1 over 8. The angle of measure more than 90 degree is obtuse angle. Is an obtuse angle, right? Obtuse, and obtuse is an obtuse angle. Okay, is it clear with you? Obtuse angle, an obtuse angle. The cylinder has 2 bases, right? 2 here, 2 bases. The friction which represents the shaded part here 1, 2, 3 over how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 over 7. It's a friction, because we can write the number of shaded parts divided the number of all parts. The friction 5 over 9 is nearest to benchmark by half. Why? Because half of 9 will be 4.5. Then 5 nearest to half of 9. Half of 9 equal 4.5. Then 5 over 9 will be nearest to half by using benchmarks. And question number 2. If 7 and d over 10 is greater than or more than 7.5, then the estimation of the value d will be what? We know the least common multiplication between 2 and 10 it will be 10. Okay, and 2 times 5 equal 5, 1 times 5 equal 5. Then the numerator here 5. Then d will be 6, because 6 is greater than 5. You must choose 6. Understood? Force divided by 2. Force divided by 2. Write force here and write multiplication, and inverse about 2 it will be half. 1 times 1 equal 1. 2 times 4 equal 8. The result will be 1 over 8. 2 bags of seeds are used to fill their visuals. To find how much seeds to fill each visual, we use here what? We can use here division, because we have 2 bags, 1 and 2, and we have a lot of seeds. We want distribute it we distribute it here. Division. To fill each visual. How many visual? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We can division all these seats by 3 visuals. We can using division, letter D. Okay, using here division. Question 5. A window in a shaped rectangle is length 1 and 3 over 5 and width 1 over 3 meters. Then the area equal. Area equal length multiplication by width. Length here 1 and 3 over 5 multiplication by width 1 over 3. Convert from mixed number to improper. Write 5 here. 1 times 5 equal 5 plus 3 equal 8. Multiplication by 1 over 3. 1 times 8 equal 8 and 3 times 5 equal 15. The result will be 8 over 15 square meter. Okay, 8 over 15. Choose letter B. From the opposite number line, the distance between E and T, E here and T. Okay, look at here, E is half and T 1.5 because he ate all the time, respectively half. E and T. E was half and T 1.5. Then the difference between them equal 1 units. The distance between E and T equal 1 because 1 plus half equal 1/2. The result will be what? 1. The volume of the opposite figure equal, we can count all cube here. Count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 cube here. Then the volume of the opposite figure equals 7 cubic units. Answer the following questions. Ahmed ate 1/5 of the B and Riham ate 1/4 of the B. What is the total of the Ahmed and Riham ate? We can eat them 50 plus 1/4. Write 20 in denominator. 4 times 5 equal 20. 4 times 1 equal 4. 4 times 5 equal 20. 1 times 5 equal 5. 5 plus 4 equal 9. 9 over 20. If the brackets, okay, understood? The result here, 9 over 20 the B. They eat 9 over 20 the B. If the rabbit's mass is 3 and 3 over 4 kilogram, what is the mass of 4 rabbits of the same size? We can find the result by multiplication by 3 and 3 over 4 and 4 rabbits. Multiplication 4 times 3 and 3 over 4. Okay, you can find the result by convert from this number from mixed number to improper or using distributive properties. 4 times 3 plus 4 multiplication 3 over 4. 4 times 3 equal 12. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 1 times 3 equal 3. The result will be 15. Okay, so the weight will be 15 kilogram. Locate the following points in the coordinate and there is a geometric or geometric figure. Okay, we have coordinate here, point A, 5 and 9. Start from 5 going to 9. A, B, 8 to 9. 8 here to 9. And C, 6 to 4. 3 to 4, 3 and 4. And D, 6 to 4, 6 to 4. Okay, and then you can count all point here, count this part. It will be parallelogram. This figure we called it parallelogram. We called it a parallelogram. Next question here is the volume of the exact figure here. Length times width times height. 5 multiplication by 12 multiplication by 3. 5 times 12, 60. 6 times 3, equal what? 3 times 6 equal 80. The result will be, volume will be 180 cubic centimeter.